It's an HP MicroSD card, which you could use this if you're running out of memory space.
Like a real love, but it goes so fast. All tied up like a cat.
Oh, hey guys, sorry, I was just editing a gacha character. I'm using PixArt, so it's really so. Hey guys, it's a girl. Hey guys, it's a girl, and today we're gonna box a new gadget. Before we move on to the video, make sure to like the video, smash the subscribe button, and also make sure to hit the bell so that you don't miss any videos, and also make sure to share the video so that your friends can see it. So now let's move on to the video. And also I have a big goal that I want to do. I want to reach 1,000 subscribers. It'd be very, very kind if you subscribe to my channel. So let's quickly move on to the video.
Hello, hello, can you hear me as I scream your name? Hello, hello.
Oh, the package has arrived. That was pretty quick. And now let's open it. And my mother said it starts with an M. So this is a clue. You have to wonder what it is. And if you read the title, I think you already know it. So let's open it. So it's right here. Yeah, it's right here. This is so satisfying. For some reason, I always said satisfaction in my past videos. I'm so sorry if I said satisfaction in my other videos. I just feel too excited today. So let's start with it. I think the first one starts with memory. Oh, this is a memory card. And if you're also in your Android phone, if you're running out of memory, and running out of memory space, and all of your favorite memories went away, this is good for you. Good for Android phones. It's very cool. So let's get on to the description of it. Description. Now let's get on to the description of it. Now let's move on to the highlights of the product. It is a high-speed flash memory, which is really helpful. Now let's move on to the next highlights of this product. It supports full HD video recording, which is really helpful and amazing and awesome. Let's move on to the next highlights of this product. It has high-speed transfer, which is really cool and awesome and helpful and yeah. So now let's move on to the next highlights of this product. I don't know why I'm laughing. Out of happiness. It has transfer speed up to 100 Mbps, which is really helpful and cool. Hope you guys like this part of it. So let's continue. It is available from 16 GB to 128 GB. It is suitable for mobile devices because it's very helpful. Why not? It is suitable for mobile devices. Latest tablets, because why not? PCs and smartphones, which is very, very helpful and awesome. Let's move on to this one. It is a very great option to expand for your mobile devices. It is made in Taiwan. I don't know if I'm saying Taiwan right, but that's how I say it anyways. It is made in Taiwan. It comes with an adapter. There's a sale going on Amazon. I just totally forgot that. I don't know how, but also make sure to grab this product. Because if your memory space is not too big and it's running out of space, make sure to buy this product. It's very, very, very helpful. And also, it's very, very, very awesome, cool. It is available under 799 rupees, which, oh my god, that is kind of cheap. In a way, I do not know, but let's move on to the next one. It has 2 years warranty. move on to the next one. I think we came to the end of the video. I thought there was gonna be more information, but there's no more information because I'm tired of saying all of that. But whatever, I just had to say hi, calm down, guys. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell, and share to your friends. Oh my god, I just said too fast, but I'm gonna do it slower. Guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel, make sure to like the videos, and hit the bell to not miss any videos because I post once in a week, which because the editing takes too long. But also make sure to share to your friends so that they can see this video and buy this. And if the memory space is not too big and running out of space, make sure to buy this. It's very, 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 very awesome. So bye guys. Buy my chocolates because I love chocolate. So buy my chocolates.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul.